When we think about making a house payment, we often think about the amount we're going to have to pay for principal and interest on the loan that we've acquired. But there are other costs associated with a mortgage that we also need to take into consideration. Here we're going to not only look at principal plus interest, but we're also going to look at the costs for taxes and insurance that contribute to the entire monthly mortgage payment. In working to calculate the entire monthly mortgage payment, we need quite a bit of information. Here what we've got is the loan amount, which is the amount of money that was borrowed, the interest rate, which here is 5%, the term of the loan, which here is 30 years, the assessed value, which is the value placed on the property by the county of $211,200, the annual taxes, also established by the county, and here that's 1.25% of the assessed value, and then homeowners insurance, which in this case is $924 per year. We're going to look at how all these factors contribute to the entire monthly payment. The first thing we're going to do is use the loan amount, the interest rate, and the term of the loan, and we can use those numbers and look in the amortization table that's in our book, and we can see that when we have an interest rate of 5% over the course of 30 years, that our multiplication factor there is 5.3682. 5.3682, and that is dollars per thousand. Here we've borrowed $160,000, so we're going to multiply that by 160, and this will give us the amount that we're going to have to pay monthly for principal plus interest, and that's going to be $858.91. So for principal plus interest, we're going to pay $858.91 each month. The next thing we want to take a look at are the taxes. There are two things that factor into taxes, and that's the assessed value and the tax rate. Here we're going to pay annually 1.25% of that assessed value. So we want to convert this 1.25% into a decimal, and that's going to be 0.0125. And we're going to multiply by the assessed value of $211,200 to find out that we are going to pay $2,640 annually. Remember, we're looking for our monthly payment here. If we're going to pay $2,640 in a year, we need to divide that by 12 to find out how much we're going to pay in taxes each month, and that's going to be $220. Now we've calculated principal plus interest. We have also calculated taxes. The next thing we need to calculate is insurance. And if that's $924 per year, we can take that $924 that we're going to pay over the course of a year, divide that by 12 to find out that each month we're going to pay $77 in insurance. So principal plus interest plus taxes plus insurance. Adding those four items together will give us our entire monthly house payment. Sometimes you'll see this written down as PITI, and that's what it's referring to. Principal plus interest plus taxes plus insurance. So what we need to do is we need to add this $858.91 plus the $220 that we're paying for taxes plus the $77 that we're paying for insurance. And we add all of those together and wind up with an entire monthly house payment of $1,155.91 for principal, interest, taxes, and insurance together. That is our entire monthly house payment.